Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. Today, we will learn a few simple shortcuts to ask questions in Spanish. Vamos a iniciar. Let's get started. Shortcut number 1. Change the intonation of regular statements to make it sound like a question by raising your pitch slightly at the end. Here's an example of a regular statement. Tú quieres agua. You want water. Tú quieres agua. Now, let's use the same sentence one more time, but let's change the intonation by raising the pitch at the end to make it sound like a question. Here it is. ¿Tú quieres agua? You want water? ¿Tú quieres agua? Here's another example. First, a regular statement. Tú hablas inglés. You speak English. Tú hablas inglés. Now, let's use the same sentence one more time, but raise the pitch at the end to make it sound like a question. Here it is. ¿Tú hablas inglés? You speak English? ¿Tú hablas inglés? Now, let's look at the next shortcut to ask easy questions. Shortcut number 2. When you need to simplify, ask questions without using conjugations. Let's imagine for a moment that you want to ask someone if he or she needs help, but you're not sure about the conjugation for the verb necesitar in Spanish, which is the verb for to need. Instead of getting stuck and staying silent, you can simplify and use the unconjugated verb. It is not grammatically perfect, but it will help you get your message across and others will understand what you're trying to say. Here's an example. ¿Tú necesitar ayuda? You to need help? ¿Tú necesitar ayuda? Here's another example. ¿Tú querer comer? You to want to eat? ¿Tú querer comer? Now, let's look at the next shortcut to ask questions. Shortcut number 3. Focus on learning the most frequently used question words. Learning the most common question words first is another way to leverage the 80-20 principle to learn Spanish faster. Here's the list of most common question words sorted by frequency. Here's the first one. ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? ¿Cuánto? How much? ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuántos? How many? ¿Cuántos? ¿Cuál? Which or which one? ¿Cuál? ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Cuándo? ¿Dónde? Where? ¿Dónde? ¿Quién? Who? ¿Quién? ¿Cómo? How? ¿Cómo? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Por qué? Take your time to memorize these question words because they are used frequently in everyday life. Now, let's move on to the next shortcut on this list. Shortcut number 4. Focus on learning the most frequently used question words. To help you learn how to ask questions more quickly, memorize common question shortcuts used with the most common question words to leverage the 80-20 principle to learn Spanish faster. Here are a few frequently used shortcuts for the top 3 question words in Spanish. Let's start with a few easy shortcuts that can be used with the following question word. ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? Here's the first shortcut. ¿Qué es plus something? In this case, ¿qué es esto? What is this? ¿Qué es esto? In the case of ¿qué es esto?, the word esto can change for something else. For example, ¿qué es eso? What is that? And so on. The second shortcut is ¿qué quieres? Plus a verb. What do you want to? Plus a verb. ¿Qué quieres? Plus a verb. Here are a few examples. ¿Qué quieres comer? What do you want to eat? ¿Qué quieres comer? ¿Qué quieres beber? What do you want to drink? ¿Qué quieres beber? ¿Qué quieres encontrar? What do you want to find? ¿Qué quieres encontrar? The next shortcut for questions is ¿qué? Plus I plus a place. What is there plus a place? ¿Qué hay? And then a place. Here's an example. ¿Qué hay ahí? What is there? ¿Qué hay ahí? ¿Qué hay en la bolsa? What is there in the bag? ¿Qué hay en la bolsa? Here's the next shortcut with the question word ¿qué? ¿Qué hay? Plus the word para, which translates as to, para, and then a verb. What is there to plus a verb? ¿Qué hay para plus a verb? Here are a few examples. ¿Qué hay para comer? What is there to eat? ¿Qué hay para comer? ¿Qué hay para beber? What is there to drink? ¿Qué hay para beber? ¿Qué hay para hacer? What is there to do? ¿Qué hay para hacer? Now, let's move on to review a few shortcuts that can be used with the following question word, which is ¿cuánto? How much? ¿Cuánto? Here's the first shortcut. ¿Cuánto plus cuesta plus something? How much is the cost of something? ¿Cuánto cuesta something? Here are a few examples. ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much is the cost of this? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Cuánto cuesta eso? How much is the cost of that? ¿Cuánto cuesta eso? ¿Cuánto cuesta la botella de agua? How much is the cost of the water bottle? ¿Cuánto cuesta la botella de agua? Here's another shortcut for questions that can be used with cuánto. ¿Cuánto? Plus necesitas plus of something. How much do you need of something? ¿Cuánto necesitas of something? Here are a few examples. ¿Cuánto necesitas de dinero? How much do you need of money? Which expresses the idea, how much money do you need? ¿Cuánto necesitas de dinero? ¿Cuánto necesitas de tiempo? How much do you need of time? Which expresses the idea, how much time do you need? ¿Cuánto necesitas de tiempo? And you can change the word at the end for anything else, right? How much do you need of food? ¿Cuánto necesitas de comida? And so on. Now, let's review a shortcut that can be used with the next question word. ¿Cuál? Which or which one? ¿Cuál? The question shortcut is ¿Cuál es plus additional information? Which one is plus additional information? ¿Cuál es additional information? Here are a few examples. ¿Cuál es el mío? Which one is mine? ¿Cuál es mío? ¿Cuál es tuyo? Which one is yours? ¿Cuál es tuyo? ¿Cuál es más barato? Which one is cheaper? ¿Cuál es más barato? ¿Cuál es mejor? Which one is better? ¿Cuál es mejor? If you're looking to improve your Spanish, head over to the video on your screen right now. It's packed with valuable tips to help you learn Spanish faster. So, click on the video to continue learning Spanish.